Are you ready to jumpstart your career as a mechanic in the trucking industry? Hennepin Tech offers the hands-on training you need to succeed. Schedule a tour and discover why Hennepin Tech is known for their state-of-the-art facilities, low tuition, and skilled expert instructors.
The first 8 weeks, we do some entry-level courses to get you up to speed so you can be successful day one on the job of your internship. We work with our industry partners. These are paid internships, so they're making money while they're in school. They then go to work for 8 weeks, and then they come back for class for another 8 weeks, and we flip-flop through that for 2 straight years.
Learn practical experience from diesel truck repair to heavy truck diagnostics.
I'd recommend Hennepin Tech because they give you great learning opportunities. The instructors here are really great instructors. I feel very prepared, especially with our internship program being required to work. With that, it has already secured me a job.
Enroll today at Hennepin Tech.